Hi friends, welcome to Jolys kitchen. Do you know how to make egg curry? Today we are trying out egg curry recipe. It's not a tough one. Let's move to the video.
Take 4 eggs and boil in water. Add half teaspoon salt to the water. After starting boiling point, cook on medium flame for 10 to 12 minutes. Heat the eggs in cold water for 10 minutes. After that, remove the shell, keep it for later use. Heat 3 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds. Keep on low flame and add finely chopped ginger, 3 finely chopped green chilies. Also add 2 chopped onions. Saute on low flame for 1 minute. Add 1.5 teaspoons salt. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. It becomes light golden color. Now add 1 chopped tomato. Mix well. Saute for 5 minutes on medium flame. Now add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Garam Masala, half teaspoon Kashmiri Chilli powder, 2 tablespoon Coriander Powder, 10 to 12 curry leaves. Mix for 1 minute. Saute on low flame. Add 1 cup of hot water. Mix well. Cook for 2-3 minutes on low flame. Add 1 cup of coconut milk and mix for 1 minute. Now add halved eggs. Our simple egg curry is ready. Serve after 30 minutes for best taste.
Today we tried simple egg curry recipe. It was not a tough one. You can try this at home. Comment below your suggestions. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and liking this video. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.